This is why I can never shave.
Well, let me see it. Let us get mine.
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
Nothing changed, guys.
All right, here we go. Where are we off to, Jake?
Secret hiking spot.
Truth.
What's it called, Lou? It's called the Aqueduct.
The Aqueducts.
That's what we named it.
I recognize that name from a body part or something.
No, not a body part. I mean, you could call a body part of the aqueducts, but you wouldn't really want to explore it too much.
What does that mean? What is the aqueduct? What is the aqueduct?
So what you guys think of that hill?
Piece of cake. Easy peasy.
Not easy peasy. I'm winded.
Oh gosh, he found another puddle. What a dog. Leave it to Midas to find the mud puddles. Gosh, she's gonna get into the truck.
Shame for it.
He can go in the car back.
Yeah, seriously, I didn't say that with them.
Yeah, you are.
I said we should have taken your car, but no.
Shotgun. Let's do that now.
All right, y'all, it's another game. Who pooped that? Here we go. This here specimen is about the size of a cat. I'm thinking, oh, hey, Midas, that poop's not for you, bud. It's a cat poop, I'm thinking, again. And the reason why I think this is because there's a lot of fur in there. So it's likely a mountain lion, something carnivorous. Anyways, that's that for the game of Who Poops That?
I don't want to be shown after you say that.
It's possible we've been on private property this whole time, but there's no signs on the other part, so
Are we gonna get arrested by posting this video?
I don't know.
Wait, they don't know where we live.
Later, dude.
I'm not a criminal.
What sound does a bald eagle make?
Yeah. What sound does a red-tailed hawk make, though? Yeah, I know.
Whoa.
Like the sound that they use for the bald eagle in movies is actually from the red-tailed hawk. That has a nice call.
Yeah, fun fact.
The bald eagle sounds like a chicken.